He just wants mommy.
Like that.
Ooh.
He's like, I can just get up on my own. Here we go. Go get it. Go knock it down.
He just wants you.
He just wants to cry on me. You can't have those anymore. Come on, you want me to hold you? I'll hold you. You knock it down, right? That's it? Let's try a little more. Yay!